Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to sell Pi on Bitget. Alright, so you're looking for how to sell your Pi tokens on Bitget. Make sure you have an account on Bitget before you can do any of that. And if you do not have an account on Bitget, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 1000 USDT new user rewards when you register and verify your account with that link. Alright guys, so you're on Bitget. How can you sell your Pi tokens? Head to the asset menu where we have the overview. Scroll from the overview to the spot or futures where you hold your Pi coin. So once you've taken note of your Pi coin, all you need to do now is simply click on the Pi, click on trade. You're taken to the spot market where you can simply buy or sell, and we're going to be selling the Pi tokens. So click on the sell option and select market as your trading or other type. We're going to be using the market because it helps us sell instantaneously. No need for a stop loss or take profit. So once you've entered the amount of Pi you wish to sell, click on sell Pi, click on confirm, and your Pi tokens have been sold for the USDT. If you head back to your wallet, perform a simple reload, you'd find your USDT token sitting comfortably in your balance. So guys, that's how it's done. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer.